Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to redeem a PUBG Mobile gift card. In order to redeem your PUBG Mobile gift card, go ahead and open up a web browser on your computer or your mobile device. After you open up your web browser, go to the search box at the bottom and type in pubgmobile.com/redeem. After you do that, you will then get to the official website of PUBG Mobile from where you can redeem your card. In order to redeem, you'll need your character ID. Your character ID will be available on your PUBG Mobile application. Simply go ahead and enter your character ID in the first tab and write down your redemption code on the next. Make sure you type in your redemption code correct. I'm just typing in a random code over here. After you are done, go to the verification code tab and write down the verification code that has been displayed on the box. After you do that, click the redeem button, and then, if your redemption code is correct, your reward will be added to your account. Just make sure your PUBG Mobile ID is correct when redeeming. Some codes have expiration date, so make sure to use them quickly. So that's how you easily redeem PUBG Mobile redemption code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more PUBG tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.